Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and configuration files for Little Nightmares 3 on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive, open the Users folder. Click on your username folder. Now, you'll need to open the App Data folder. If you don't see it, click on the View tab at the top, select Show, and then click Hidden Items. Once App Data is visible, open it. Then go to the local folder. Find and open the folder named Little Nightmares 3. Inside, open the Saved folder. Then, open Save Games. This is where all your save game files are located. Go back to the Saved folder. Open the folder called Config. Then open Windows No Editor. Inside, double-click on GameUserSettings.ini. Choose Notepad or any text editor to open it. This file contains all your game configuration settings, including graphics, resolution, and display options. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find both your save files and your config files for Little Nightmares 3 on PC.